Hey everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. Today I'm going to show you how to install round metal handles. These glamorous handles will make your handmade bags look like ready-to-wear bags. You will be amazed by how quick and easy they are to install. So let's get started. First, you'll need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a rotary puncher awl, a marking pen, a ruler, and a set of metal handles which can be purchased from my website. You'll want to remove the screws and the washer from the back side of each handle. If this is difficult for you, try adding a drop of oil to each screw to help loosen them. I'm going to use this small scrap to show you how to add a handle so it's easy for you to see what's going on. This is a piece of linen cotton and foam stabilizer for support. After you have your supplies together, you'll need to mark the placement for the handle. Normally, your pattern will explain where your handle should be attached, but if not, I've put together some basic steps. Begin by marking the center of your project where you want the handle installed. Then mark how far down you want your handle from the top edge of your bag. I'd recommend about 1.5 inches from the top. Next, take the washer and use it as a template to mark the screw holes. Then use a rotary punch or awl to punch out the screw holes through the fabric and foam. Now your project is prepped and we can add on the handle. Position the handle over the screw holes. Flip your project over to the wrong side and position the washer over the screw holes. If you think the fitting is too loose, take a scrap of foam or firm stabilizer and mark and punch the screw holes just as before. Add the stabilizer before the washer for more support. Then take your screws and screw the handle in place. After one handle is installed, you repeat to attach the other handle. If you use this hardware in a project, be sure to share pictures on social media with #SallieTomato. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiration and tutorials. See you next time!